Hi guys, this is Ruchi from Easy Peasy Gardening. As you can see, Red Lion Amaryllis is blooming so beautifully. I just love them. They brighten up the whole space. Just even if there were only one or two lilies blooming, they look so beautiful. So today we are going to talk about how to plant Red Lion Amaryllis and how to take care of them. It's very simple. They are very low maintenance plants. Red Lion Amaryllis is a bulbous plant. It can be planted in containers or it can be planted in the ground. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to plant it in the container, but the method is exactly the same. So this is where I'm going to plant it. This planter has very good soil and it's loose, and the planter has good drainage. And so here are our bulbs. So take each bulb and plant it pointed side up, and make sure that the pointed side is slightly protruding above the soil. You don't want to bury it in the soil, and plant them 2 to 3 inches apart, and always plant them in clusters, because when they bloom in a cluster they look much more beautiful than if they were just blooming one flower stalk coming out. Choose a location which gets partial sunlight. If the sun is too harsh, direct sun, then the flowers will fade away in a day. If it is in too much shade, then there'll be not that many blooms. And the best season to plant these is in fall, because they normally start to grow in early spring or late winter, and they bloom in early summer. But it also depends on the climate. In colder climates where it snows, you may want to wait till spring, or if you want to plant them in fall, then you may want to plant them indoors. So here are some plants that I planted last year, actually many years ago, and they keep blooming again and again. So it is February and they have started sprouting. Like you see this green one, this one here. Of course, once they start to sprout, then you should start watering them regularly, because the leaves are growing, so you want to make sure that they are properly hydrated. So initially you will see some strappy leaves, and sometimes the flower stalk and the leaves, they start to appear at the same time. And the flower stalks also, they are really thin, so in the beginning you can't even tell whether it is a flower stalk or a leaf. So now you can see that a lot of flower buds have started appearing, and they are growing very rapidly. And from the looks of it, it seems like we are going to have a lot of flowers. Now the lilies have started blooming, and so many more buds are coming. It's just so amazing. So that's about it. You plant your bulbs and you wait for them to start sprouting. Once they start to sprout, you water them regularly and let them grow, and make sure that they are in a sunny location. Otherwise, you won't get that many blooms. And after the blooms have faded away, you remove the flower stalk, and you keep fertilizing the plants and watering them till the leaves are green. If the leaves die down, then you can stop watering them and you can stop fertilizing them, and then wait for the next season to for them to sprout again. So I am in zone 9B, so I don't need to dig these bulbs up in winters. But if you live in an area where the ground freezes in winters, you may want to dig them up once the flowers are spent and all the leaves have died down. Because otherwise, if you leave them in the ground, they will decompose and they'll be of no use next season. So I have a video in which I show you how to store away the bulbs. I have put the link in the description. You can check it out. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.